So today's lesson we are going to discuss integers, and I want to know, does anybody know when I say what does it mean in the black or in the red? Does anybody know? Caitlin?
Black means positive and red means negative.
Very good. Okay, so then we're going to, so we know what black and red mean, they're positive and negative. And we are going to, our learning goal for today is to learn if we know how to add and subtract negative integers and use them to solve real world problems. So we're going to go over a couple of vocabulary words, and then we're going to do some problems and review the rules for adding and subtracting integers. Alright, so what is an integer? Nafisa?
An integer is a number.
Well, part of that's correct. However, can you go a little bit further for us and take us a little bit further along the way, or?
An integer is a number that can be written without a fraction or decimal component.
Correct. So the next thing that we're going to cover is what are the rules for adding and subtracting numbers. So the first rule, can anybody give me what the first rule is? Cassie?
Add the numbers and give the answer in the same percent.
Oh, sorry. That is correct. So you're going to add the numbers and then give the answer the same sign. Okay, so an example of that is if you have a -2 plus a -5, what does that equal? Anybody? -7, correct. Okay, so then the next rule is adding two numbers, adding the numbers with different signs. Does anybody know what that is? Give me half the answer.
Half the answer.
Do you know what it is?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay. If the number, you take the number with the greatest value, the answer gets that number's sign.
Correct. So, is what you're saying, like, if, do you ignore the signs and then do the difference? No?
Mm-mm.
Can you give the sign?
Can I give you an example?
Sure.
Not a person. -4 plus 6 equals +2.
Okay, and how did you get,
Because it's 6 minus 4. Because 4 is negative, so you're taking.
okay, so, but we could, so you're correct, but we could still say that you take the sign of the higher number. Of the larger number. Correct? Okay.
You have 30 seconds. Are you finished? Okay.